I've got a guest cook, my Barbie Jolie. She's going to show you how she makes her Tarka Dhal. Enjoy. Today I'm going to show you how I make my Tarka Dhal. So this is the dal that I use to make Tarka Dhal. It's called yellow moong, and I use 1 cup. I've measured it, and I use 1 cup of this. I've washed it, and it's in my pressure cooker now. I'm just gonna, in this mix, I'm gonna put salt, some more salt. I'm gonna put some jeera powder, just a tiny bit of haldi. I'm gonna stir it, and I'm gonna close it, and I'm gonna let that cook for 2 to 3 whistles. That's it, not more. Okay. So now while the dal is cooking, we're gonna let it get 2 to 3 whistles. In the meantime, I'm gonna do my tarka here. My pan is quite hot now, so I'm gonna put some ghee, just a little bit more, and I'm gonna start with jeera. Okay, that goes my jeera. Let that cook for a while. Then, while that's cooking, what I'm going to do next is show you. I've chopped some ginger, some garlic, tomatoes, fresh coriander, and turmeric, because I have some. So I'm using 2 tomatoes, 2 cloves of garlic, a little bit of ginger, and a bunch of coriander. I'm going to need more for garnishing, but I'm going to cook this coriander in. Okay, so the jeera's done. I'm going to add garlic going in, ginger, and fresh haldi, fresh turmeric. You can see that the garlic and the ginger are cooking. It's turning brown quite quickly. Once that's cooked, I'm going to add my tomatoes. Okay, that should do. And coriander as well. Usually I'll use chilies as well, but the kids are going to eat it too. So I'm going to put chilies for myself and Amar later on. I'm going to let that cook until the tomatoes are soft and nice. And in the meantime, I can hear that my pressure cooker is about to start whistling. So that's really quick. Does not take long at all to make Tarka Dhal. If you have everything on hand, maximum I say 20 minutes. Okay, let the tomatoes cook for a while, and then we can come back to see when it's done, what spices I use. In about 5 minutes, and my tomatoes are cooked through. Now I'm going to add all the dry spices, which is not much really. So it's going to be salt again. We eat too much salt. And garam masala. My garam masala is quite strong, so I'm not going to put so much. Might be too strong for the kids. At this point, you would also put turmeric, haldi powder, but because I used fresh turmeric earlier, I'm not going to put any more turmeric powder. And this is done. I've had 3 whistles from my pressure cooker as well. I've turned it off now. I'm going to open it shortly, and I'm going to mix the tarka into the dal, and I'm going to try it and see how it is. Okay, let that cook for a while. There. So basically, this was my mom's recipe which I learned, but over the years I've changed it a lot. Like, she would never cook her coriander fresh or her turmeric fresh like I've done, but I just think, I don't know, I just like the flavors like this more. This is done. I'm going to turn it off and tend to my pressure cooker dal. I'm going to open my pressure cooker now and see how my dal is cooked. And I'm going to add the tarka that I've made to the dal here. Okay. It's quite nice. It's cooked through, which is good. Just going to add the tarka in there. Put the heat on low so it can cook through together. You can see once you mix it together, the color starts to change as well. And it's looking nice. But you have to taste it to see if all the flavors are in there. Some people might like more coriander powder, more jeera powder, or more garam masala. You can add more of whatever you like. Okay, I'm going to try it now and see how it is. That's quite nice. I don't think I really need anything else. Maybe a bit of salt, but I can add that later once I've taken some out for the kids. And I think the garam masala and everything else is perfect, so I'm gonna leave that to cook. But actually it's not gonna cook anymore, it's done. I'm gonna turn it off now, and as soon as I turn it off, I'm gonna add the main ingredient, some more ghee. That will just sit there. When you have it, it'll be perfect. And then just before serving, I'll garnish it with coriander on top. There you have it. Tarka Dhal. My Tarka Dhal. Served best with rice and a little bit of achar. When you make it, enjoy it.